What if you build a startup and it grows first because of lockdown, then starts dying when lockdown finally ends? And instead of shutting down the business, you changed the entire direction, rebuilt it, and turned it into an AI app, solving a real world problem. This is the story of how a hobby class app started solving one of the most common problem in India and making 1.25 crore profit every month. If you are new here thinking about building a profitable business but stuck on where to start, no rich background, no connections, no funding, just have hunger and time. Hi, I am Anirban and here I talk about how to build from zero. Welcome you to the founder journey. In 2019, two friends, Anshul Gupta and Arpit Mehta, started a company, Libipods Technology Private Limited. In 2020, they launched their first product, YOLO Class. Their idea was simple. Parents always wanted their children to learn new skills outside of school. Singing, drawing, dancing, but finding good classes, managing schedules, traveling to different locations was hectic. YOLO Class solved this problem by bringing 40 different hobby categories in one single platform for 3 to 12-year-old kids, fully online and flexible schedules. It was working but slowly. Then in March 2020, lockdown started and kids got locked inside home. Parents were desperately looking for something structured and productive for their children, and YOLO Class was already providing the solution. Due to this lockdown event, their users' revenue became skyrocket. But now the story gets interesting. After approx 9 months of COVID, when schools finally opened, parents wanted their children to go outside. What growth YOLO classes got in revenue slowly started decline. Now at this point, Anshul and Arpit had three options: keep going as it is, or shut down the business, or change the direction. They choose to change the direction. When they inspected the data, out of all 40 categories on their platform, only one was silently doing better than everything else. That is learning English. Even the most interesting part was it was not just the kids who were learning English, parents were learning too. And when they actually talked to parents and started collecting data, it just opened their eyes. There are 121 languages in India. So when people move from one place to another, there is no common language to communicate. The moment two strangers from different states meet, they move to one language, English. Not because they love it or feel comfortable, but that is the only left option they have. And that's exactly the problem. Most of them can read and write but cannot speak. The problem was real, the demand was real. They noticed a small group of parents goes to spoken English centers, but job, house or responsibilities, fixed timings, traveling and fear of judgment. Altogether it was very hectic and eventually they stopped. That was the moment they stopped the hobby classes and rebranded it to SpeakX. By 2023, LLM became powerful enough. They built an AI tutor using LLM. User can learn grammar, vocabulary, and practice them verbally in real-world situations using AI. The AI will help them to catch the mistakes and keep the conversation going on. No judgment, no embarrassment, and 24 hours available. You can make the same mistake 1,000 times, but AI won't get frustrated or make you feel embarrassed. They launched it in November 2023 at 299 per month. The numbers started moving again, and today they are doing around 1.25 crore every month. SpeakX did not find a hidden problem. It was always there in every office, every interview, every railway station of India. Lakhs of people switch to one language they can read and write but cannot speak. They looked at this problem differently apart from normalcy. The biggest opportunities are not hidden. They're just sitting in the front of us and waiting for someone to stop calling it normal. Thanks for being here. This channel is for helping you in all possible way to build a profitable business from zero. If you connect to this, please subscribe. If you found something valuable, then make sure you like this video and drop your comment that what we can do better. Let's meet out next Sunday with a new video at 7 p.m.